Your digital notes are probably a graveyard of abandoned ideas trapped in a corporate cloud. Most of us just toss a thought into a search bar and hope for the best. I recently fell down a massive productivity rabbit hole looking for a better way to organize my life. The name that kept coming up was Obsidian. People talk about this thing like it is a digital second brain. I had to know if the hype was real or just another tech fad. First off, the price is $0. It costs nothing to get started. You do not even have to sign up for an account. There is no email, no password, and no nonsense. You just download the software and you are in. It includes all the themes and plugins right out of the gate with no premium tier hiding the good stuff. But the real difference is how it handles your data. Most apps want to own your thoughts. They lock your notes in a proprietary format so you can never leave their ecosystem. Obsidian does the exact opposite. Every note you write is just a plain text file on your own computer. If the company vanished tomorrow, your notes would still be right there. You could open them in any basic text editor from the last 30 years. That kind of digital ownership is incredibly rare today. It feels like building a house on land you actually own instead of renting a tiny apartment from a tech giant. Then you have the knowledge graph. This is the signature feature everyone loves to show off. It builds a visual web of your ideas. When you link two notes together, it draws a connection. The more you write, the more you see how your thoughts relate to each other. It is like seeing a map of your own mind. You might find a link between a book you read years ago and a project you are starting today. However, you should be ready for a real learning curve. The app runs on Markdown. It is not a standard visual editor. You have to learn a few simple symbols to format your text. For some people, that is a total deal breaker. It feels more like coding than writing at first. The mobile experience is also a bit of a weak spot. It works, but it is not nearly as slick as the desktop version. If you want to sync your notes between your phone and your computer easily, it will cost you about $10 a month. That is the only place they really ask for your wallet. You have to decide if you want to be an architect or just a casual user. If you care about owning your data long term, this is easily one of the best tools out there. It gives you total control. But if you just want to jot things down without thinking about file formats, you might find it frustrating. Tools like the default Notes app on your phone are much faster for quick tasks. Obsidian is for the people who want to build a lifelong knowledge base. It is a deep, powerful system that rewards curiosity. If you are willing to do the work to set it up, it might just change how you think forever. It is a rare piece of software that respects your privacy and your intelligence at the same time. You just have to be willing to learn the language.